Passion Education Network.
It's Passion Education Network PEN. In today's class, we're going to solve 4 equations by using the elimination method. So as we learned in the previous class, in elimination method, we eliminate one variable and find the value of the other. Then after finding that value, by the help of it, we find the value of that variable which we eliminated. So the rule of elimination method is whether you add or subtract one variable based on the circumstances, but only when the value of the variables are same in both of the equations. When the coefficients of one variable are opposites, you add the equation to eliminate a variable, and when the coefficients of both the equations are same, you subtract the equation to eliminate a variable. To understand it better, let's move towards our first question. So our first question is x equals to y equals to 3, 4x plus y equals to 17. As we can see here, in this the value of variable y is same and the signs are different. So it means we have to add both equations. So first of all, I am eliminating the y variable. So I have eliminated the y variable. Next step is to add both the equations. So x plus 4x equals to 3 plus 17. So x plus 4x equals to 5x and 3 plus 17 equals to 20. So then we have to simplify the equation. 5 divided by 5 equals to 1 and 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. So that we have found the value of x and it's 4. Next step is to find the value of y. So how can we find the value of y? So for finding the value of y, we have to choose one equation out of these two equations. It can be any equation, it doesn't affect your answer. For example, I am choosing the first equation, x minus y equals to 3, and we have to put the value of x in the equation. So 4 minus y equals to 3. Now we just have to solve the equation. So 4 minus 3 equals to y and y equals to 1. So the value of y is 1, and how can we write the answer? So there is a proper form of writing the answer. So it's x bracket x comma y bracket of equals to bracket value of x is 4 and then 1 bracket off. So this is our answer. We have solved this question. So our next question is 7x plus 2y equals to 19 and 7x plus 8y equals to 13. Yeah, so in this equation, as you can see, the value of 7x is same, so we have to just eliminate it. Yeah, but here the signs are also same, and when the signs are same, we subtract both the equation. So for subtracting the equation, the rule of subtraction is we change the signs of the second equation. So for example, it's 7x plus 8y equals to 13. So if the sign is minus, it became plus, and when it is plus, it became minus. So for example, it's minus 8y, it will become plus 8y, it will become minus 8y, and it's plus 13y, it will become minus 13. So let's solve it. 2y minus 8y equals to 19. Then 19 minus 13. So let's solve this equation. Yeah, so for solving it, so it will become minus 6y after subtracting it, and it will become 6. Now we have to simplify it. 6 divided by 6 equals to 1, and 6 divided by 6 equals to 1. So the value of y would be minus 1. Now value of x. How can we find the value of x? Same method. So for example, I am choosing the equation number 2, that is 7x plus 8y equals to 14. So now we just have to solve the equation. Yeah, so we have to put the value of y in it. So 8 minus 1 equals to 13. Then 7x plus minus minus and 8 multiplied by 1, 8 equals to 13. Now 7x equals to 13 plus 8. So it is moving on that side. So the sign of 8 will change. It will become plus. Now we have to add 13 and 8. So it will become 21. Then 7x equals to 21. Let's simplify it. So the answer would be x equals to 3. Yeah. So this is the answer, and how we will write it. Bracket x comma y equals bracket of equals to 3 comma 1 minus 1 answer. So we have solved this equation. Let's move towards our next question. Let's move towards our third question. It's 2x plus 3y equals to 18. 3x minus y equals to 5. So we have as you can see, there is no variable with the same values. Of how we're going to eliminate that. So the point is, we're in this situation, you have to multiply a variable in order to get the same value. So here you can see in the second equation there is a variable y, so we have to multiply that y with 3 in order to get 3y, and then we can easily eliminate the variable. So but the rule is, if you're eliminating a variable, you have to multiply the whole equation with the same number, the whole equation. So let's multiply it. So first equation will be copied as it is, 2x plus 3y equals to 18. Next equation, we have to multiply the whole equation by 3. So 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9 minus 3y equals to 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15. Yeah, so let's eliminate 3y, as we have eliminated 3y. So we have to add these both equations, because the signs of both the variable were different. So if the signs were different, we're going to add these equations. So 2x plus 9x equals to 18 plus 15. Yeah, so 9 minus 9 plus 2 equals to 11x plus 33. And let's simplify that. 33 divided by 11 equals to 3. Yeah, so x equals to 3. Now let's find the value of y. So for finding the value of y, we have to just pick one equation. So for example, I am picking the first equation. 2x plus 3y equals to 18. Yeah, so 2x plus 3y equals to 18. Let's put the value of x here. So multiply it. So 2 3s are 6 plus 3y equals to 18. 3y equals to 18. So here the signs of 6 is plus, it will become minus here. Now it will become 12, 3y, and then just simplify it. So the answer would be 4. So let's write the answer. Bracket x comma y bracket of equals to 3 comma 4 bracket off. So we have we have solved the question. Let's move towards our last question. Our last question, 5x minus 4y equals to 17, 2x minus 3y equals to 11. So how are we going to solve that? So as you can see here, there is no variable with the same value. So how are we going to solve that? So even after multiplying one variable, you won't get the same values. So what we're going to do here, we are going to choose one variable. For example, I'm choosing y. So here it is 3y, and the first equation it is 4y. So what we're going to do, I'm going to multiply the whole equation, the whole first equation by 3 and the whole second equation by 4. Multiply by 3 and multiply by 4. So let's solve that. 5 multiplied by 3 equals to 15x minus 12y equals to 17 multiplied by 3 equals to 51. Next, 8x minus 3 4s are 12, y equals to 44. Now we are going to simply eliminate 12y. So here it is, the signs were same, so we are going to change the signs of the second equation as I taught you earlier. So here it is plus, it will become minus, it will become minus. So let's solve this. Equals to 15x minus 8x equals to 51 multiplied by minus 44. So here, as you can see here, we will get 7x after subtracting it, and we will get here 7x also. So we are going to just simplify it, and the value of x would be 1. So next is value of y. So like that, we have to choose one equation. I am choosing the first equation. For example, 5x minus 4y equals to 17. Put the value 5, 1 minus and 17. So 5 minus 4y equals to 17. And here as we so here 4x equals to 17 minus 5. 17 minus 5 would be 12, and here it would be 4. So let's simplify it, and the answer would be y equals to minus 3. Yeah, so how are we going to write it? So there is no space, so I am writing it here. Bracket x comma y equals to bracket 1 comma 3 bracket off. So we have minus 3 bracket off. So we have solved the equation. That's for today. In the next class, we are going to solve with the help of substitution method. So hope you have understood the elimination method. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box below. Thank you. It's Passion Education Network. Bye.